Alrighty guys, we're going to go ahead and take the handles off the headstock today and get them cleaned up so I can get behind them and get all that old paint off so we can get ready for some new paint. You have to bear with me for a moment. These handles are somewhat aggravating to get off. If I get my fat head in the way, I'm sorry. But I can't really figure out how to get it off of there. There's nowhere to pry behind it to kind of help it get off of the shaft that it's been on for 80 years. So I'm thinking we're just going to leave it. We should be able to get back here and get all this paint cleaned up around it, and then we'll tape this up and go ahead and paint that. So I'm just going to focus on getting these front levers off, and then we'll go ahead and get these detents out, and that'll be good enough. So the front levers ain't too bad. They're kind of difficult to get moving once you get the pin out, unless your machine's been apart before, which mine has not. So this thing's been together since 1983 or 1943, sorry. And yeah, it's not really wanting to come apart very easy for me. Set screw right here in the front left side takes your actual rocking handle off and makes it a little bit easier to start getting that thing pried off. Taps. Try to loosen it up on that shaft. We got a Allen key to get out on the bottom. A little Allen bolt right here that's got to come out. Get this off and give her a couple of love taps. This one's coming off like a dream. The first one not going to come off at all. That one. It looks like the seal's leaking on this side too. I got a little piece of grease impregnated rope in here. as a seal. And they leak. Yeah, we're just gonna leave those on. Alright guys, that'll about do it for today. Bring you guys back the next time I get back to work on this thing. We'll probably do the saddle next. Get all the handles off the saddle, and maybe the clutch lever down here. Get these handles off so that we can get everything polished up, repainted, and get this machine looking respectable again. Thanks for watching, guys.